Are you struggling to start your car in the mornings? Or you took it to the dealership and you have a confusing code showing up? It's time to change your glow plug. A glow plug causes your vehicle to have a struggle to start up in the morning. Recently here at Aiden's Diesel and Auto Repair, we had the same situation with the 2014 Jeep Cherokee that came with the same symptoms. To start off, we had to remove all the fuel rails that were really hard to get to, and the intake and the turbo pipe on the back. We had to work on really tight space. The glow plugs were really fragile, so we had to get a special tool to use them to get them out. It took us about 16 hours to do this job. It needs a lot of patience to do this because you're working on really tight spots, and also you could damage the head cylinder. But at the end of the day, we had a happy customer. So if you have this mechanical issue, hopefully this video helps out to anybody out in the public. And if you have any problems, you can always come here at Aiden's Diesel and Auto Repair. Our number is 505-242-0669, or visit us at 1515 Coors Boulevard Northwest. Please give it a like, a share, and subscribe for more videos like this.